Hey everybody, Peter with Cornelia Carpets here. This is a quick little tutorial on how to do carpet cleaning wet passes. This is what I prefer to do as wet passes. Just this first part starting off, you'll see here in just a moment. They're full forward and then full straight back passes overlapping what you just went over. So literally you're putting down moisture and you're extracting that moisture directly back out with that same pass. Now this is the most proper pass I would say you could do. I would always do this in residential, and I do this in commercial. Even though with the dry passes, my guys are like, "Why do you do the dry passes in commercial?" It just makes me feel better. I know that I'm pulling out as much moisture as I possibly can. I don't technically have to do V marks, but I really don't particularly care here. I'm just kind of trying to do the dry pass and get it out of the way. Another pass here is going forward, or I guess pulling back while holding the pressure and doing a V mark. But you have to let go of the pressure when you do the V. So you let go of the pressure, you do the V, and then come back down holding pressure, V, pressure, V, pressure. Now in very lightly soiled carpet, this will work, but again, it really depends. You have to kind of feel it out, know what carpeting it is. So all these areas are technically dry because I'm letting go of the pressure, even the light colored areas. But again, I'll go follow up with a dry pass. Now this is the improper way. This is holding pressure the full time, which usually will get you in trouble. So if you're holding the pressure, doing a V, every light triangle you see here is actually moisture. It's moisture. That's moisture, that's moisture, that's moisture. And if you don't follow up with a dry pass, you're leaving that moisture, leaving dirt behind. Again, so the holding it the whole time, the light part is moisture, the light V is moisture. So again, if you're not following up with a dry pass, or you're just leaving it like that as the carpet soiled, you're going to leave dirt and moisture behind. And that's going to dry differently. So again, the proper way, in my opinion, here is always to do a pass forward, straight back, move over 5-7 inches, pass forward, straight back, move over, forward, back, move over, forward, back. And that, in my opinion, is a good pass. If the carpet is soiled in the area where you need to do more passes, go ahead, do those more forward to back passes like you'll see here. I think this area right here was a little bit more dingy. You might not see it from this angle, not see that nap, but I go over it and I go over it, do forward back passes, and then I think I right there, right behind the seat, actually there was like a little darker area. I decided to just go more over it, more over. It's more so. Sometimes you have to add that pressure and that heat to it to kind of help loosen it. So, or go a little bit slower during the pass. It's always helps. But most important is as you go over, you want to do forward and back straight. You want to avoid these V's with full wet passes. You will leave soil behind, especially if you don't go back and extract, do another dry pass. So, yeah, this is just going back, kind of going in and under the seats just a tiny bit here. But yeah, I think it's very important. I hope you watched this video and I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful, informative. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Enjoy, spread the word. Let's do proper dry passes, everybody, or wet and dry passes.